Why are we here today?
We are doing suckling pig, our best-selling suckling pig. So good.
Wow, so crispy and juicy. 反而它的奶香味是更加浓，可以吃到那个皮的那个咬感。因为当我们沾了酱，
喂，
真的好滋味奶。
果然真係真材實料啊，冇得敵。呢個乳豬咧就好似我喺珠海一個隱世高手帶我去食過啊，真係正統嘅乳豬最好食，真係。
Juicy, not too fatty.
Would you order it for Chinese New Year for family? 你會 order 這個 for Chinese New Year 嗎？
棒哎！
就決定做盆菜，這個是最重要。Homemade 裡面有海參、蘑菇、鮑魚、燒肉、燒鴨、干貝，但是你可以你可以自己來拿，OK， 自己來拿，可能我們還會送東西哦。
Can you help us try the suckling pig? Finding
very good, 10 out of 10.
Juicy.
Will you order this for Chinese New
I
Year?
haven't ordered.
It's very nice, right? I highly recommend. This is the best place to order the suckling pig. No wonder even the boss and a lot of customers say it's a die for that must come and order the suckling pig.